Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to add view in browser link in your Mailchimp account. But before we go into the action itself, if you're new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. And I'll keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back. We appreciate you all for your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on another MailChimp journey. Okay, so adding a view in browser link to your MailChimp email campaigns has its plenty of advantages because not all email clients and devices display emails in the same way. Some recipients may have issues viewing your email correctly in their email client. The view in browser link offers an alternative, ensuring that everyone can access your content regardless of their email client or settings. Some recipients even prefer reading emails in their web browser because it offers a better viewing experience, especially for emails with complex formatting or graphics. Now, the link allows them to switch to a browser view easily. When you design an email look different on various screen sizes and orientations, so providing a view in browser option you enable recipients to view the email in a responsive web format, potentially improving readability and usability. Say, for example, a recipient encounters issues with their email, they can use the view in browser link to help troubleshoot the problem. This can be particularly useful in the email and has rendering issue with their email client. Mailchimp can track the clicks on the view in browser link, providing with insights on how many recipients prefer this viewing option, and you can use this data to refine your email design and improve user experience. Some email clients may block images or certain content by default to protect users from potential security risk. And the web-based version of your email can provide an opportunity to reinforce your brand. The web page can include your logo, header, and other branding elements, creating a consistent and visually appealing experience. So, when recipients view your email in a web browser, they can easily share the content by copying the URL or using social sharing buttons if you include them on the web page. This can help extend the reach of your email campaign. And having a web-based version of your email means that it's accessible beyond the initial email sent. It serves as an archive of your campaigns, allowing recipients to reference or share it even after the email has been sent. Okay, so if you don't have an Mailchimp account yet, just create one. Just go to mailchimp.com, and once you successfully created an account, log in using your credentials, and then hover down to create and then email campaigns. It'll take some time, but we'll go there. Okay, so sign email. Go to let's say this one. Go to content and text. Here, let's say, and then after that, you can link to a website. There you go. There you go. That easy. That's how you add a view in web browser on web view in browser link to your Mailchimp account. That's easy, right? So adding a view in browser link to your Mailchimp emails can enhance the recipient experience, increasing the accessibility of your content and provide you with valuable insights about how your audience engages with your email campaigns. So once again, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates in the future. And if you have topics you would like us to discuss, let us know in the comments below. Thank you again, and see you in the next one.